propelled vessels are stationary dismountable vessels equipped with a rotating cutter head. These powerful cutter suction dredgers are used in dredging rock, clay, silt and sand. Boskalis deploys cutter suction dredgers in the construction and maintenance of ports, land reclamation and coastal defenses and riverbank protection, and in dredging trenches for pipelines. A cutter suction dredger is positioned on spuds and anchor winches to ensure the vessel is firmly anchored during dredging. By pulling on the side wires, the cutter head is moved sideways, swinging around the main spud. The support spud is lowered into the seabed. The main spud, which is located in the spud carriage, is raised and moved forward a few meters. The main spud is lowered again and dredging continues. Cut material together with a large quantity of water is drawn into the suction mouth. This soil and water mixture is then transported by the dredge pump through the large discharge pipeline for further transport to the designated site. The dredged material is pumped into the floating pipelines for transport over large